Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Easy YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be doing unboxing of ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and taking a first look at it, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, we get to see the packaging something like this. Opening the box we get to see the paperwork section, and opening the paperwork section we get to see a hard case, which is pretty much good. Then opening the other section we get to see web charger, then a cable and a phone. Keeping it aside, now keeping the box aside, we'll take a look at the phone. Removing the wrapper of the phone from the back, it gives a good glass back which looks very nice. You get to see something like this design. And talking about the display, you get to see 6.7 inch 90Hz AMOLED display. It has a pretty good display and it is good for playing games. Moving on to the camera section, in this device we get to see 12 megapixel Sony IMX336 ultrawide camera, and moving on to the second camera we get to see 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 wide camera, and moving on to the third camera we get to see 12x telephoto camera with 8 megapixel. And guys, talking about the main feature in this device, the cameras are flippable, means the front camera can be used as back camera and back camera can be used as front camera. As you can see, we can use the camera like this. And guys, moving on to the performance section in this device, we get to see ultra fast processor Snapdragon 865 plus, which is a 5G processor, and we get a 5000 mAh battery which can run for a long time. And guys, in this device we get to see the smart key. We can use the smart key as power button and fingerprint unlock. So guys, this is pretty much everything we get in this device. Talking about price of this device in India, for 8GB 256GB variant, the price would be 39,999. So guys, that's it in this video guys. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next one.